Hey guys, Team Fail here with a new thing I want to do. So, warning, this is going to contain math. So, look away if you are scared of math, or don't like math too well, or aren't good at math, so look away. But, for those who actually want to learn something, and I figured this out the last 2 days I've been working on this, I kind of had it done, but I wanted to test a few things today about it. uh, try to find some patterns, but I wasn't too lucky with that. But I was close. I was close to figuring this whole thing out, but I got the basics. So I'm going to teach you the equation for figuring out probability of a specific hand or drawing a specific card in Yu-Gi-Oh. So the equation for this is probability of the hand, whatever letter, let's say A, equals y divided by z times y divided by z minus 1, y divided by z minus 2, y divided by z minus 3, y divided by z minus 4, y divided by z minus 5. You can figure out more than that if you want, but always take into consideration if you searched out a card in your deck, like let's say you use Rhoda, then you're going to have to do an extra z minus. So let's say this one, and then you draw Rhoda, you activate Rhoda, so you'd have to multiply if you want to do another card, be y divided, oh wait, let me teach you something else first. Okay, so this is the base equation for first hand draw, because there's no alterations or anything. But so with this, y equals um, number of specific cards. So if you have 3 of them, you'd put 3. But if you already drew one, then make sure you do 2, because one's already gone. Z equals number of cards in deck. And then, oh wait, and then to figure out the next part, you're going to want to do divide by x, because x is the amount of times you want to actually draw that hand. So, x equals amount of times you want that hand. So if you want it twice in a row, you're just going to divide everything by 2. You want 3 times in a row, divide everything by 3. So, to give you an example, and the basic hand, this is called hand Yugioh. And I called it that because Yugioh, this is the probability of drawing Yugioh first hand in a 40 card deck. So you see how that one goes down every single time. So 1 divided by 37, 1 divided by 36, and 1 divided by 35 would give you hand Yugioh plus an extra card. So let's say you just have one of that card too. So this is the equation for drawing Yugioh first hand, and the probability of that is 3.61842467 times 10. This is going to be my raised sign, just so everybody knows. Raised to -10. But if you're putting this in your calculator, always make sure you put parentheses around here and put parentheses around here, or it will give you the wrong answer every time. And then you do that divide by how many ever times which in this case would be 1, or if you want to see if you could do it twice in a row in a single duel, so you can win both matches, you could do that too. So, yeah, so that's the probability of getting Yugioh first hand in one duel. But I'll give you a more unorthodox equation. I'll shuffle my deck and then I'll draw and do the probability that way. So, okay, first card is Caius the Shadow Monarch. So, this is going to be, since I have 2, it would be 2 divided by 40. And then, next card, Bottomless Trap Hole, also 2 out of 40. 2 out of 39. My bad. Next card, Gravekeeper Spear Soldier. I also have 2 of those. 2 divided by 38. I put double parenthesis on accident. And then next I get Necro Valley, which I have 3 out of 37. Then next, Gravekeeper Spy, also, that would be 3 out of 36. And then my last card is another Gravekeeper Spy. So, since my last card was Gravekeeper Spy, I had a 2 out of 35 chance of getting that one. You see that? Because one spy is already gone, so I can't redraw that spy, so you only put 2. So, let me figure out what this is. 2 divided by 40, 2 divided by 39, 2 divided by 38. This one's going to be really good probability. 37, 3 out of 36, and 2 out of 35. So, to get this hand, I have equals, oh, I forgot something at the beginning of this, but whatever, equals 5.210531526 times 10 raised to the negative 8. Okay, so that's a really good probability. And like I said, okay, let's see what my probability of getting this hand twice. So remember, if you're using the calculator, graphing calculator like I am, make sure you insert it like this. Then divide by 2. And then we'll see what that equals. Divide by 2. So, equals 2.605265763 times 10 raised to the negative 8. So that means probability hand A equals 5.210531526 times 10 raised to the negative 8 divided by 2, and that's your answer. And if you want to figure out the times 2, divided by 2, you can. Okay, so let's say late game, your opponent's taking a while, and you want to figure out, you have one card that's going to help you win. You only have one of them. Like Dark Arm Dragon, you have 3 darks in the graveyard, and whatever. So you just do. Let's say you've already used 12 cards, so that means you have 28 left. So what you would do is that you just do 1 divided by 28, and that would give you the answer. So that's 0.0357 and a bunch of other numbers. draw, yeah, draw that card. So yeah, this is pretty simple. If you guys want me to ever do any probability for you guys and give it to you, I'll do that. I don't mind because I enjoy doing it. Just send me the list of cards. If you don't understand something or you want a little bit more information, also contact me. Remember to rate, subscribe, comment. I worked hard on this, so please don't rate 1 star because you guys don't like math. I did work hard on this for you guys and myself to help me make decks better, help you guys make decks better. And yeah, so like I said, rate, subscribe, comment. Check out Oja King 13 and Team Neapolitan. Team Fail out.